This is Kampong Bru. It's the area that Malaysians first settled here in Malaysia. And a lot of the homes here are still the traditional style, though they do have cars. One of the homes. Family. Very cute family. The people here are very friendly. We've run into several.
The deeper we go in, the more they know nobody will help us when they mug us.
They're nice.
So they lure us in with their smiles and
Yeah, that's how they do their laundry. They dry it out there. You see that on a lot of places. And also on a lot of places you see Islamic writing. So, most likely a Muslim family there. Have adorable Malay families here. And Muslim girls are so cute. And then beyond here, the Petronas Towers. Hello! They're very adorable, very friendly. Just beautiful, beautiful homes here. Lots of trees and bushes. Well, not beautiful, beautiful, but some of them are. Some of them are a little bit more run down and sad. And Troy's getting annoyed by my commentary.
No, he's just in my shot.
Yeah. They have these very, very tiny roads that we're not sure if they're one-way or two-way, but cars go both directions on them. Interesting. There's more laundry out to dry. And here too. It's very normal. And then the trash. It smells. A lot of houses are in similar styles. It's very common to have the grate on the front door. Here's some little row houses back there. Oh. More Islamic writing there. This is an area with lots of gates. We saw several apartments that, or not apartments, but duplex condo style houses when we first moved here that had these gates. It's apparently a traditional thing here. These tiny little garage parking areas for their cars. Lots of flowers. And here are the street signs. Jalan means street or road, I believe. House has a little bit bigger of a courtyard area. So that is a tiny slice of Kampong Bru in Kuala Lumpur.